Let's see how we can install Windows 10 in VirtualBox. And for this, you need Windows 10 ISO. Or you can directly download Windows 10 pre-configured virtual machine directly from Microsoft itself. Go to developer.microsoft.com/windows downloads virtual machines and download this pre-configured virtual machine. Okay, it says 20 GB download. Now, to create a virtual machine, as always, click on New, give it a name Windows 10 New. Then select Machine folder. Select folder. Next. Now 2 GB is sufficient, but you can change if you want. Click Next. Again Next. 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 Okay, 50 GB is sufficient. So click on Create. Go to Settings. Then Storage. Now here in DVD or CD-ROM you have to attach your ISO file. You may find it here, and if you don't, you can browse it from this option. Okay. Select your ISO file. Click on OK. Now click on Start. Now it will start installing Windows 10. Okay, select first one because I want 64-bit. Now it says loading files. Now let it load. Let's increase the size first. Switch. Okay. Now select your language. Click Next. Click Install Now. And now the setup is starting. So we have to wait for a while. Let me pause this video. Now it's asking for the product key. Although I have, but for now let's click on Skip. Now select the operating system you want to install. Click Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Okay. You may read if you want. Then click on Next. Now here you have to select the advanced, okay, the custom installation. Create a new partition. It says Windows might create additional partitions for system files, okay. Click Next. And now it takes around 10 to 12 minutes to install all the required files, okay. So let me pause this video. Now the process has been completed and Windows rebooted automatically. Now it's asking for some more things. It says get going fast, use express settings. No, we don't. We will go for customized settings. Now here I personally prefer to turn off all of these options. Okay, because it's asking for our location and all these things. Just turn off all of these. I don't want any of these services to interrupt me when I am doing penetration testing. Now click Next. Okay. See, I want my course to remain updated for a long time, right? And for this, I am using Windows 10 for all of my practicals. Okay, and I'm not going for Windows XP. Yes, I will use Windows 7 and 8 at some point of time, but most of the time I will perform my hacking practicals on Windows 10. Now it says give a username. Okay, it says give a password. Okay, so my password is 123456. Give a password hint, click next. Okay, hi. See guys, if any point of time in future, if you find any of my tool or any of my method will not work at that time, then you can send me a private message. Okay, and I will replace that video with a new one. And one more thing, I will add a new lecture every month. Okay, it says this won't take long, but actually it's taking long. So let me pause this video for a while. So finally we have our Windows 10 desktop, and congratulations, you have mastered how to install Windows 10 in VirtualBox.